Part 1. Evil dog kills everyone. La da 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 da. Wait a minute. What is this? It's a crayon. Wait. You can make me eat a crayon? Oh, it's good for you. Really? Just chew on it. Serious. You're gonna make me eat a crayon. Yeah, it's good for you. Alright. I think I killed him. Wait. Huh? What are you gonna do? Oh my God! Don't put the gun down. Why do you think so? I will kill everybody in this world. Honk! What should I do today? Hi, parrot. Hi, Blue Dog. Why is your voice so dark? Hey, yeah, why are you laughing? Because you're gonna die! Oh, whoa. Put the gun down. Oh, God. You're gonna... Everyone's gonna